What up? So we just got to the homie Teggy shop. After a successful day of off-roading, you know the next thing we need to do to preserve the life of the good old Honda Z is to give it a deep clean and a deep wash. So I just want to show you guys a before. You can see really everywhere it's dirty, not just the outside, the exhaust. And if you don't know, the motor is right there. Pretty caked up. I think I did a good job of making it dirty. And then interior wise, that carpet's pretty bad. That one's decent. And then back here, just as clean as normal. But I'm gonna wait for him to finish on the car that he's currently working on. And then I'll show the entire process of him cleaning it. We'll see the after. Just wanted to get a good job of recording the before, because I know the transformation's about to be crazy.
There goes the floor. Oh, that's it. I guess we should clean underneath it as well.
Yeah.
I have the thing. It has the modular side skips for it.
And the rims.
Oh, that's actually really cool.
Yeah.
This is an extension of Honda.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, it extends custom. That's cool. And you got side vents. Under side vents. Look at all that work in power washing. I really thought it would be worse, to be honest.
I couldn't go any harder because things would have got messed up.
You should have fully sent it.
Nah, I didn't want to fully send it.
Fully sent it.
I did not want to
I wanted mud up here, like, you know.
Nah. The next one. If it wasn't being waffled away, I would have fully sent it, but not about to crack a side skirt, crack the lid, break the front bumper, just so we can get a better car wash video. And if you haven't entered already, I put all the details on the screen right now. This is one of the first place prizes, along with my Minica plus cash, or if you just want the sole cash out. And then second place is a brand new Honda Moto Compacto still in the box.
We're gonna degrease this thing like crazy, and then I'm gonna get the little wand for the bottom, and then I'm really curious to see how much dirt. If I was a gas cap, how would I open?
It's right in front of your face, literally.
Oh shit!
Like literally.
Gas cap's clean.
Yeah, the car's clean. I mean,
No, it's
prior to what I just did, it was.
Well,
Yeah. Could you fix this? I was gonna ask you at some point.
what's up?
I don't think you could tell though. Oh yeah, well not really. But you see this discoloration here?
Oh, yeah,
Is that one of those things where that's what you
We
like?
can try, yeah.
Like remember you did with the quarter? Is that what that is? Or no?
It might be. I love how you still aren't educated on these things.
Yeah.
He's like, yo, can you do that thing that you did?
Did on the quarter? Yeah.
You just like, make it look, that
But you
thing.
can't really tell because it's wet now.
Yeah, do that thing.
The thing with the pad and a
the
shirt,
pad.
the spins.
This is you should know by now what a wash is. And
Well, this is a wash. We're getting a wash.
this is a detailed. This is a decontamination wash, I should say.
Oh, so then yeah, I don't know what it is then.
Yeah. We're gonna wash it, the car. We're gonna clay it. Maybe if you're nice to me, I'll wax it really quick, make it nice for whoever's gonna take
I know, literally, someone's about to win this.
Someone's about to win.
By this time next week, I'll be surprised if this car is still
Yeah.
in New York.
So someone's gonna get a super clean Honda Z for the price of what? How much are your tickets again?
$50.
The price of $50. One lucky winner.
Or a Honda Moto Compacto.
I hope they take the Z.
Yeah.
And I hope they buy the Moto Compacto from you.
Nah, someone's gonna get a Moto Compacto. We could do the headlights today maybe too. Even though they're pretty clean.
New tire? Oh no, that's, don't worry about it. Ooh, that's nice. It's actually really cool. I'm also a Honda guy too, so.
Yeah.
But it was actually, it's crazy because it's just dirt. It's just like mud, you know?
That's all I was doing yesterday. It's literally like some stuff like this. I can just like,
Yeah.
I literally do that.
Yeah. That's crazy. Wow, there's still... Just more degreaser, just to clean up everything. Then we're gonna foam it up and I'm gonna start, I think I finally start washing it now. Because it's so disgusting.
All jokes aside, you haven't started washing. This isn't like,
What's up?
none of this has been washed?
I didn't wash it yet.
Oh, so what is this?
I mean, we're just kind of degreasing it and getting rid of all the heavy stuff because you don't want to wash the car and there's all that dirt. And
Meaning like you didn't put soap yet?
Yeah, well I mean I put soap before, like when I first foamed it up, just to kind of loosen up any dirt.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna clean the car until I guess all that stuff is gone yet because you're gonna just mess up the mitts, there's gonna be dirt everywhere, there's gonna be junk everywhere.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of just letting all the degreasers and I'm letting all the power washer do the work before I actually get in here and start scrubbing because like I said, I don't want any dirt or dust or mud or whatever it may be on my mitts, on my products.
Just moved up the Z a little bit so we can clean up all this dirt. It's almost like a little mountain. I really want to be a baller.
Like airbags?
Yeah, like look at the front.
Oh, I mean, yeah.
I don't know if it's a Honda thing, but
Good as new.
Not bad.
I mean, it looked like this before. Chalky and ugly. And there she is. In all her glory. The good old Honda Z. Look at that shine. It's kind of crazy that it looked like what it did a couple hours ago. Had to throw on the sticker too. Open this up. Everything is nice and clean.
Oh, underneath the hood.
Oh yeah, you gotta see underneath the hood. Perfecto.
damn, this shit looks pretty good.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.